In this video, I will show you how to add a zoom blur transition in DaVinci Resolve. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. First, you need to open up the effects panel in the top left corner. You then need to search for adjustment clip. Then add the adjustment clip on a new track above your main timeline. Go to the middle of your two timelines. Then use your keyboard arrow to go back 5 spaces. You then want to cut that adjustment clip by pressing Ctrl or Command B. Then you want to go forward 10 spaces and cut that clip again. You then want to go into the middle of your adjustment clip and make sure that it is selected. Once you have done that, you are going to go to the Fusion page on the bottom panel. Once you're in your Fusion page, you're going to press Shift Space and you're going to search for transform. You will see 2 transforms, one with an XF and one that just says transform. You want to make sure you select the transform that says XF. You then want to move your playhead to the beginning of your clip. So just below your image, you will see a bar with numbers. Simply select it and drag it all the way to 0 and go up into the top right corner and select inspector. You will see size. You want to just keyframe that by clicking the diamond next to the 1 and you will see it turn red once it has been keyframed. You then want to move your playhead to the last frame of your first clip. So we need to find that. So for me, it is number 4. You then want to go to size, double click that and type in 2.5 and hit enter. And you will see the diamond will be red to show that it has been keyframed. You then want to move forward 1 frame, which would be 5, and set that to 0.25 and keyframe it. You then want to move to the last frame of your clip, which would be 9, and you will set your size to 1. Hit enter to keyframe. Once you have completed all your keyframes, in the inspector panel, you will see edges and it'll have canvas. You want to select that and scroll down to mirror. Once you have completed all your keyframes, you then want to go to settings, scroll down to motion blur and select quality and add it to the max. Do the same with shutter angle and add it to the max. Once you have completed the motion blur, in the top you will see spline. Select that and scroll down to spline and you will see transform 1. Make sure you select that. You will then see your spline show up. Above your spline you will see a zoom box. Click that and you will see your spline increase. You can then select all 4 frames by tapping in the right or left corner and dragging over your spline, or you can simply select anywhere in your spline box and press Command A to highlight everything. With everything highlighted, you want to right click and scroll until you find flat. Once you have selected flat, you want to make your spline vertical. So simply drag the first node on the top left and simply drag it all the way down, and then do the same with this one over here and drag it all the way up. Now, if we go and watch our video, we have a zoom blur transition. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.